the candies! Today we have a special guest called Alberto Beltrán.
Hola Adrián,
Hey!
how are you doing?
How are you doing, man?
I'm okay.
Hey, take a seat. Take a seat.
Thank you very much.
Okay, you need to know why I said this is an important moment and an important person. Okay, tell us, Alberto. Who are you and where you come from?
I am from Spain and I am the owner of Banco Santander. It's a big bank in Spain.
Uh-huh. And I see you have improved your Spanish.
Yeah, my Spanish is very good, I
It's
think,
good.
but English is still just medium level.
That's why I told you your English is awful, man. But it's okay. It's okay. Okay, what you wanna do with all the sweets you will get?
I'm gonna sell it.
You gonna sell them?
No, I'm kidding. I'm gonna give it for a loan. I'm gonna borrow to people. I'm gonna let the candies for the people.
That's how bankers are, man. Okay, let's start with our questions.
Okay, let's.
Acción.
Okay, my friend, are you ready? Yes? Let's
Yes.
stretch yourself a bit. Okay, we're ready, right?
And left.
I will give you 40 candies, okay?
How many?
40, 40.
Ah, okay.
Okay, Jaime, please bring the candies.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
Great, she's from somewhere, so. Okay, you can leave your candies wherever you want. Let's leave them here. And here are the answers. Green paint, minerals on the ground, and chlorophyll. You don't know which question could be?
How do you say the?
Chewy gum.
Yeah. Could that be flavors?
Let's see.
Okay.
Okay, let's see the question. What makes the trees be green? Okay, you have 30 seconds.
You know, green paint is making things green. You know. But I'm sure there is some trick. I don't know. Let's put this. What's on the ground? The ground, right? Ground?
The ground, yeah.
Okay. No. So let's try like this. I don't know, but
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, he is the owner of the Banco Santander. Let's see how his answers are. Okay, you said minerals in the ground. Okay, it's wrong. You saved those candies. Let's go to another one. Green paint. You lose those
See.
candies, okay? And
that's not.
chlorophyll. Right. You can take back your candies.
Thank you.
Great. You have 2, 4, 12 candies left. Okay,
Still 28. Yeah?
great. He knows about numbers.
I
Okay,
might.
let's see the next questions. The next answer first. Carbon dioxide, oxygen, and helium. What could be the answer? The question? Let's see. What gas produced the trees and is it breathed by the animals and human beings to live?
Wait a sec.
This
I know
time
this
starts.
one. I know this one. I'm sure. Oxygen.
Oxygen? You
Yeah.
want to stop the time?
Yeah, I'm really sure.
Okay, we stop the time. Let's check. Helium? Okay, good. It isn't. Let's see if it's oxygen. It is! So, you
Awesome.
take back your sweets.
Thank you.
Congrats, man.
Hey, se pierde. Ay.
Yeah, for you, man.
Thank you.
Okay, great. We go. Because after we have a really nice movie, we need to go fast. Okay? Let's go to the next answers. In the city of New York, in the mountaintop, in a very distant part of the country. Let's go to the question. Where can we find the urban forest? Time starts now.
I don't know. The urban forest. I don't know this place. Urban forest.
15
Urban
seconds.
forest in the mountain. And New York has everything. So, how many time? How long?
You have 5 seconds left. 3, 1, time! Okay. Why isn't it in a very distant part of the country?
I don't know.
It could be. Okay. And New York, you like New York?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
And New York has everything. So,
Okay, great. Let's check. In a very distant part of the country? Wrong. So, it's good. In the mountaintop. Let's see. You put many sweets here. It's wrong. We
New
need to
York,
check.
eh? Always
So
New
the
York.
answer is New York.
I told you, New York has everything, yeah?
New York. Do you have something there in New York there?
Yes, of course, we have everywhere in the world.
No. I think it's
Do you need
the...
some money? 6% interest, that's
Okay, thanks. Thanks. I think it's the 5th biggest bank of the world now,
fine.
so...
Yeah. Fourth in a few years.
Uh-huh. Okay. Let's see. Only just if you answer these questions. 25,000, 5 millions and 200,000 or 100. What could be the question?
I have an idea.
Idea.
Sorry. Maybe it's the money that I have in my pocket.
Maybe. Let's see the question. How many trees are there in the urban forest of New York? Time starts now.
I have no idea, so I'm gonna make an easy rule, an easy trick. I'm gonna put on the middle number, and that's it. 100 is nothing. 5 to millions is too much. So let's see.
You have 10 seconds left. This is your
No.
final question?
Yeah.
Okay, the time is over. Okay, my friend, let's check if the answers are right. We start with the small one or the big one? What do you want to check first?
The big one.
The big one.
Yeah.
5.2 millions.
Fuck.
Oh man, sorry. That is the answer. That means the other ones are wrong. So we need to take back your sweets. Take them. And I think that is over. We have more questions, but I think he
But it's
couldn't
fine.
pass.
It's fine. I'm still rich, so
He's
I
still
don't care.
rich, and he still needs to increase not his money but his knowledge. So, sorry Alberto, it's nice to have you here.
Thank you, Adrian.
Okay, and for the next program, LeBron James.